How Lamborghini went from tractors to supercars. Lamborghini is one of the most recognizable and beloved automotive companies in the world. But, did you know that Lamborghini started out as a company that made tractors? The story of how Ferruccio Lamborghini transformed his tractor company into a car manufacturing giant is one of the most remarkable success stories of the 20th century. In this video, we will explore how Lamborghini went from making tractors to producing some of the world's most iconic supercars. Ferruccio Lamborghini, the man behind the brand. Ferruccio Lamborghini was the founder of the iconic Lamborghini brand. Born in 1916, he started his career as a tractor manufacturer, but after World War II he decided to switch gears and create exotic cars. Despite having no prior experience in automotive engineering, Lamborghini quickly became a force to be reckoned with. In the late 1950s, Lamborghini began to challenge Enzo Ferrari in the field of supercars. Lamborghini felt that Ferrari's vehicles were not up to his standards, and so he set out to create cars of superior quality. He believed that Ferrari's vehicles lacked refinement and power, something that he wanted to address with his own cars. The fact that Lamborghini was able to successfully transition from tractor manufacturer to exotic car maker is remarkable. His passion and dedication to creating high-performance vehicles has resulted in some of the most sought-after and iconic cars in history. The first Lamborghini, the 350 GT. Ferruccio Lamborghini's first vehicle was the 350 GT, which was released in 1964. The success of the 350 GT marked the beginning of a brand that would eventually go toe-to-toe with Enzo Ferrari's exotic and supercars. The 350 GT was created to compete with the Ferrari 275 GTB. It was powered by a 3.5-liter V12 engine with 6 Weber carburetors and was mated to a 5-speed gearbox. The car had a top speed of 166 miles per hour and could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.8 seconds. The 350 GT featured an independent suspension system and 4-wheel disc brakes, as well as a sophisticated interior with leather upholstery, power windows, and air conditioning. This gave the 350 GT a luxurious feel that was not common at the time. The 350 GT established Lamborghini as a manufacturer of high-performance, luxury cars and set the stage for their later successes. Despite only producing 120 units before discontinuing it in 1966, the 350 GT proved to be an important car for Lamborghini and established them as one of the world's leading luxury automakers. The Miura, the car that defined Lamborghini. When Ferruccio Lamborghini first set out to create an exotic car, he knew it had to be something special. Little did he know that his design would become one of the most iconic cars ever created and would establish his company as a leading maker of supercars. The car that defined the Lamborghini brand was the Miura, which was released in 1966. While this car may not have been the first Lamborghini produced, it certainly set the tone for the high-performance, luxurious cars that followed. The Miura was a sleek, low-slung sports car with a sleek body and powerful engine. It instantly became a hit with car enthusiasts and quickly became one of the most sought-after cars on the market. The Miura proved to be a direct challenge to Enzo Ferrari's dominance in the market for exotic cars. Lamborghini's success with the Miura sent a message that the company could produce cars that could rival any of Ferrari's offerings. From then on, Lamborghini was taken seriously by supercar enthusiasts and established itself as a formidable competitor in the world of luxury cars. To this day, the Miura remains one of the most iconic and sought-after supercars ever made. The car's incredible performance, style, and presence make it a legend that will continue to inspire car enthusiasts for years to come. The countach, an icon of the 80s, the countach, which means stunned in Piedmontese dialect, was produced by Lamborghini from 1974 to 1990. Enzo Ferrari might not have been a fan of the design, but the public loved it and it soon became an icon of the 1980s. The countach was one of the first true exotic cars, with its ultra-low profile, wide fenders, and angular styling. It featured a V12 engine and had an impressive top speed of around 183 miles per hour. The countach's angular style made it stand out from other supercars of the time. And it quickly became a status symbol for the wealthy. The countach had a variety of upgrades over its production life, including improved suspension and braking systems. The last version was the 25th anniversary edition, released in 1988. With this model, Lamborghini made a strong statement that the countach was still one of the most exotic cars on the market. To this day, the countach remains an iconic symbol of Lamborghini's success in the supercar market. While Enzo Ferrari may not have appreciated its design, there is no denying that the countach has become a timeless classic in its own right.